Let me tell you a story. A real one. A man lies to thousands of people. Those people lose their life savings. Their retirements disappear. Their futures collapse. That man makes millions of dollars. The government catches him. He goes to prison. For less than 2 years. Then he gets out, writes a book. Hollywood turns his crimes into a blockbuster movie. People laugh. People cheer. And today he travels the world teaching success. This is not a movie review. This is not motivation. This is the real story of how the Wolf of Wall Street scammed America. And I'm going to explain it like you're 5. This story starts with a kid who learned one thing very early in life. Money listens to confidence. He wasn't the smartest kid. He wasn't especially talented, but he could talk. As a teenager, he sold things door to door. Ice cream, food, anything. Not because the product was good, but because he sounded sure. Other kids dreamed about careers. He dreamed about numbers. Not grades, not skills, just numbers in a bank account. He tried school. He tried professional paths. But the moment someone told him, "This won't make you rich," he walked away. Because for him, there was only one goal: get rich, fast. And he believed one thing with absolute certainty: if I can talk, I can win. That belief led him to Wall Street. Most people think Wall Street is about intelligence, charts, math, complicated strategies. But the truth is much simpler. Wall Street runs on persuasion, confidence, speed, authority. Investors don't ask, "Is this true?" They ask, "Do I trust this person?" When he first arrived, he didn't understand markets, but he understood people. Then the stock market crashed. Companies collapsed. Jobs vanished overnight. For most people, that was the end. For him, it was an opening. That's when he discovered penny stocks. Now listen carefully, because this is the entire scam. Penny stocks are tiny companies worth almost nothing. No profits, no real business, sometimes no product at all. Big Wall Street firms avoided them because they were dangerous. But here's what he noticed. They paid massive commissions. Selling real companies paid small money. Selling garbage paid huge money. So he made a simple decision. I don't need good companies. I just need believers. Let me explain this like you're 5. Imagine a broken toy. Nobody wants it. It costs $1. He buys a lot of those toys. Then he tells people, "This toy will be worth $10 tomorrow." Parents panic. They rush to buy. The price goes up. And right before the toy becomes worthless again, he sells all of his. Everyone else is left holding trash. That trick is called pump and dump. He didn't invent it. He perfected it. One man can scam a few people. A team can scam thousands. So he built a company, a fancy name, a professional image, but underneath, it was a scam factory. He didn't hire experts. He hired hungry people, loud talkers, desperate people who wanted money fast. Then he trained them, not in finance, in pressure. He taught them to talk fast, sound certain, never pause, never explain, and never let doubt breathe. Phones rang non-stop. The office was loud, aggressive, addictive. And it worked. Money flooded in. They didn't target billionaires. They targeted trust. Teachers, retirees, veterans, parents saving for college, people who believed the system was fair. They were sold hope. Retirement plans, college funds, security. Every call sounded urgent, every pitch sounded exclusive. And when enough people bought in, the insiders sold. The stock collapsed. The customers lost everything. The company moved on. The money came too fast. Millions turned into tens of millions. And with money came something dangerous. Ego. Rules stopped mattering. Warnings sounded funny. Consequences felt imaginary. The office turned into chaos. Parties replaced discipline. Excess replaced caution. Success convinced him the system couldn't touch him. But systems always catch up. Complaints started piling up. Patterns appeared. Money trails formed. The government started watching quietly. He tried to hide the money. Offshore accounts, fake names, complex transfers. But hiding money leaves fingerprints. And pressure breaks loyalty. Friends talked. Calls were recorded. Evidence stacked up. Eventually, the knock came. He was facing decades in prison. And he did what he always did best. He sold. This time, he sold people. He cooperated. Others went down. He walked away lighter. While many served long sentences, he served just 22 months. This should be where the story ends. But it doesn't. He wrote a book. Hollywood turned it into The Wolf of Wall Street. Audiences laughed. The scammer became a celebrity. The victims disappeared. Millions were lost. Lives were permanently damaged. Restitution was ordered. Only a small fraction was ever paid back. And today, the man who sold lies sells lessons. This story isn't about stocks. It's about humans. We trust confidence. We chase shortcuts. We confuse money with truth. The wolf didn't beat the system. He exposed it. And now you know how the scam worked. So here's the lesson, explained simply. If someone promises easy money, they're selling you a story. Real success is slow. Real honesty is quiet. And real winners